Hello everyone, I hope you all had a good weekend. This week on Design&Travel Guide, we'll be going a little bit around Europe. So as you noticed maybe today, we were in France. There was a fantastic landmark for you to check out. Tomorrow we'll be heading to London, only on the posts, with a hotel to discover. And then on Wednesday I'll be giving you, as always, my design tip, which will be shabby chic, so you might like that. And then on Thursday we're heading back to Switzerland. Well, not just our posts but also ourselves, physically flying back. And if you should ever be in my husband's hometown of Zug, which is a very pretty town in Switzerland, you might like to stay in the hotel that we checked out for you a couple of weeks ago. Really charming, nice hotel in the center of town, so I'm sure you'll like that. And on Friday, as always, my recipe this week. If you like me, you like chickpeas and you like a healthy snack every now and then maybe my recipe for hummus, which really is the best I've ever made. I've noted everything down so you can make it just as easy and tasty as I did. So you'll get the recipe on Friday. And then something personal. Whenever I go shopping and I need to buy a new washing liquid, I tend to find there are tons and tons, well, you know, women exaggerate, but you tend to find 10, 15 or even more different types of washing liquid in bottles, plastic bottles. What's going on, guys? I prefer the good old washing powder in the cardboard box. So if you're like me, then share the video, subscribe to Design&Travel Guide or to my Instagram page. So have a wonderful week and I'll see you next week from Switzerland. Freezing. Okay, take care. Bye.